Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use video layout on Instagram Reels. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have multiple different videos either in your gallery or that you want to take, you can create a video collage on Instagram. This feature allows you to combine multiple videos into a single collage, making a unique and engaging piece of content. So how to do it so simple? This video will show you how to do it. You can watch until the end. So first, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on the plus icon in here. You can go to Reels. You can open your camera. You can choose, there is an option video layout. You can tap on that. You can choose on the layout that you want to use, maybe this one. Now you can just choose video from your gallery or you can just record from your camera. For example, I will just choose, I will try to record from my camera like this. You can just tap and hold on the button in here. So now I'm start recording for the first video on the top. Now after you finish, you can just stop. Now you can just start record the other video in here like this. After you finish, you can just tap on stop. So here's the result. After you finish, you can tap on the checklist in here. So now you have collage your video on your Instagram without any application. Now you can start record again or you can just tap on next. If you finish, you can add music or you can just edit the video if you want to. You can add caption, you can add sticker on it, you can add filter and another feature that you can use in here to edit your video. Now you can just tap on next. You can edit the cover. After that, you can add caption and start to share this video collage. It's so simple, right? So you don't need to using any apps, editing apps to make the video collage on your Instagram. So simple, right? So that is how to use video collage on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.